Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So we have number 2 and number 2. We can do about factorization. This one we can change into negative x minus y. Next, we divide both sides by dx. Next, we can use about reduction variable. So I will put about v equal to x minus y. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. So we have dy over dx. So I will put this one go to the left, this one go to the right. This one we change by v. This one we change by v. This one we change by this one. Next, 2v I will put on the right and we divide both sides by this one. So I will put this one go to the right and this one go to the left. Next, we can do about common denominator. So 2v plus negative v, so we have positive v in here. And we put number 1 going here. Next, I will put the s go to the left, this one go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, I will put negative number 1 in here. Later that, we put back positive number 1. So 1 plus 1, we have number 2. This one, we have negative of v plus 1. So this one divided by this one, so we have negative number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of dx, we have s. The integration of negative number 1, we have negative v. The integration of this one, we have number 2 ln of the absolute value of v plus 1. And then I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. So this one we have negative x, positive y. So I will put negative x go to the left. And this one we have 2x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.